iBEAM's new TE-DVR360 provides the driver with a 360-degree recording of their surroundings. Capture a forward-facing view, interior view, and a rear-facing view from one complete device. The TE-DVR360 comes with a camera for rear vehicle recording, as well as a triggered backup view. This dashcam supports a 32GB microSD card and downloads a special PC program for 360-degree viewing. The user can operate the dashcam from the touchscreen and choose from different viewing angles on the 4-inch screen. The dashcam is very easy to install with a simple DC adapter and 3M double-sided tape mount to the windshield. The dashcam also provides the user with convenient features such as parking mode, loop recording, and collision lock, which will lock in the recordings so they are not recorded when using the loop recording setting. For more information, visit iBeamUSA.com.